my god.
It's okay. Just remain quiet. Namona. Just remain quiet. Don't move. Don't make any movement. Yeah.
You got any chicken, Don?
Just remain still. Yeah. No problem. Just remain still. Yeah. No, he's trying to have a good view of the spot.
If I can take one of these jeeps, I can't take them all.
Yes, just relax. No problem.
Wacha tu nikanyange leo. Wacha nikanyange nyasi.
How you feeling there, guys?
Oh my god, my heart's gonna beat out of my chest.
I would like just a small room, just separate. Yeah, just a little bit. One is samba. One book. One book. You look at that. And I cannot 10 minutes.
Okay, we started the vehicle.
You can stand still.
Yeah.
Stand still. No problem.
Oh my god, we're moving. Don't spray us now.
No problem. Okay? It's alright. It's just going out.
Yes! Thank goodness. God. Oh man!
I can breathe.
Oh! Bye-bye! Oh! Hail curse! Oh, nice!
Not you.
Woo! So, Edward, if we could get a lion up there now.